Todo en español. Conteste todo.
It's Mr. Smith Torres. How's jail? ¿Cómo está la cárcel?
Sí,
¿Cómo está la cárcel?
la cárcel. Mala.
Bad.
Good. It's jail.
La cárcel.
It's not supposed to be fun. It's there for a reason.
Son,
And when you don't follow conditions,
la
when
condición.
you are a danger to our community, that's what happens. You failed to miss court, we issued a warrant, and now you're in custody. Why did you miss court?
Fallaste de venir a la corte un día.
No, yo no fallé en la corte, solamente que no pude cargar el montón, no se me cargó el montón.
I didn't do it. The only thing was that I couldn't carry the monitor.
Sorry?
I could not carry the monitor.
He's explaining why he didn't pay the bond.
I don't understand what you're saying.
¿Qué es lo que estás diciendo?
No, yo nunca falté a la corte, le hablé al abogado cuando tenía la corte.
I never missed court. I called my lawyer when I was
Solamente me pusieron orden de arresto por no cargar el monitor. Solamente me pusieron orden de arresto por no cargar el monitor.
the only problem was that I was not carrying the monitor, and that's why I am charged to
If we give you bond conditions,
las condiciones de
you're
fianza.
supposed to follow the bond conditions.
Las condiciones de la fianza.
Consequence is when you don't, you end up in custody with a warrant. There's no excuse. I pay everything for you so that there's never an excuse. It is your responsibility to charge it, keep up with the device, and when you don't, this is what happens.
Eso es lo que pasó.
You now know. What would you like me to do?
¿Quieres de que yo haga, el juez haga?
Quisiera que me pudieran bajar el bond.
I would like for you to drop the bond, if it is possible.
How do I know that you're going to comply?
¿Y cómo vamos a saber que vas a cumplir tú con eso?
I'm going to tell you that, Mr. Smith Torres,
Entonces,
I have enough drama in my life.
lo suficiente de
I
drama.
don't need any more. If you want, we only have one bond forfeiture with him, just one,
Yes, Your Honor.
right? Okay. I will give you a chance,
Chance.
but I'm not going to give you another one.
Vamos a dar otro chance.
To let you out,
Te
you
vamos
must fully comply with all conditions.
todas las
And
condiciones.
I will not do this again. I will give you one chance
Chance nada
and you will not get another get out of jail free card.
para recibir otro.
So if we let you out and you go out and you run amok and you don't follow conditions,
Salís y
I will revoke it again. And this time, you now know no one is going to pay the $5,000 bond to get you out.
sabemos que no vamos
So if you mess up, you pick up a new case, you don't follow,
a caso.
you know that you were stuck in here until it's over.
A estar acá metido.
You understand?
¿Entiendes?
Yeah.
Will you follow the conditions?
A seguir las condiciones de la fianza.
How old are you?
Yes, yes.
Promesé.
Hmm?
Promesé.
I promise.
How old are you?
¿Qué edad tienes tú?
35.
You're 35. What do you do for a living?
¿Qué haces para vivir?
Trabajo en un salón de
I
barbería.
thought he was 18.
I work in a barber shop.
He's a stylist, Your Honor.
Okay.
And he was working as recently as Sunday.
I will give you a chance, Mr. Smith Torres, but this is the last one. Do you understand?
Quiere que este es el último chance que tienes.
Ah, no.
Okay, so we need to talk about the conditions, but let me thin out the line and then we'll put them back and then we'll re-shimmy the conditions, okay? Mr. Mueller, okay, all right, don't make us proud. It's not gonna happen again. Okay. Well, the cases from August though, are, I mean, his DWI third and his gun case are both from 8/28. So they're saying the relapse is after that. Mr. Evans.
Has a positive UA for alcohol on August 27th. I think he already has that.
Well, that's the date of all the other, right? Right. And then he has positive UA August 27th, which is the day before the filing.
Okay, so they might be, okay.
What does he have now? Does he have on a scram?
Let me know.
Yeah, I think he does have a scram, Your Honor. He has a scram and a GPS.
Yes, he has both of them.
And the problem is that we can't do, we're kind of barred to what we can do, Mr. Evans, because of the cases upstairs, you know?
He has a,
So
yeah,
even if we want to do residential, we can't because of those cases upstairs that are still open.
no, we were coming about the GPS and the curfew, and I think when you checked in, it looked like he had got kicked out of SOP because he was messing up, but it was because of the financial issue. That's why I came Monday. That's how I just got on your radar.
Okay. I don't know about, I don't know about taking stuff off, Mr. Evans. I mean, he's still, you know, they're just now extending him again. He's had problems. I don't know, man.
Can we make it, I know it's 7, can we make it 10?
Say that again?
Can we make the curfew from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m.?
Why?
He works at in construction. He says it's hard for him to kind of complete everything and get it home in time.
Show me that it's needed for work and then we'll talk. I don't
Okay.
want to just give it just for willy-nilly, but if you can show me that it's actually that he really, really needs it, then we'll talk. I
No
mean,
problem.
I don't want to bar anyone from working. The idea is that we keep him from being out in the middle of the night, you know?
Okay, but we're good on Friday. He doesn't need to come in on Friday. We're good on everything now.
No, I
right?
think we're okay.
Okay,
yeah.
and then on Acapello,
Okay, give me a second. Let me just do this real
Okay.
quick. I told you I was going to give you another chance.
Te dijeron que te vamos a dar otro chance.
We're going to put the device on your ankle now.
El monitor te lo vamos a poner en
You must charge it on a daily basis.
cargarlo todos los
If the
días.
battery goes dead, then it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand?
¿Entiendes?
There's no excuse for you not to charge it. I also don't want you to have contact with the complaining witness in this case.
Contacto con el- está usando
I'm issuing a protective order
una orden de protección
on behalf of her.
por ella.
It's a guy, right? On Mr. Flores, you're not to have any contact with this person.
Ningún contacto con esta
He is now a protected individual. You're not to commit family violence or an assault against this person.
persona.
Commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot stalk, threaten,
Es
harass,
darlo-
communicate, be in possession of a weapon. You cannot use another person to try to communicate with him. You cannot go within 200 feet of where he lives or where he works.
Estar cerca, como se llama, 200 pies de donde trabaja o vive esta persona.
I'm giving you another chance
Vamos a dar
now.
una oportunidad
Do your best to stay with it.
para quedarse con esto.
Do you understand?
¿Entiendes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
¿Te pregunta?
No,
No.
All right. No weapons as well.
Arma tampoco.
Okay. All right, Mr. Muley. Oh, one more thing. You must remain in contact with Mr. Muley.
Tienes que estar en contacto
He
con.
tells me he cannot get a hold of you because you're playing games and you're not responding to phone calls, text messages. I will issue a warrant for your arrest. You understand?
¿Entiendes?
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, guys. Thanks.